How to stay cool on hot days with no air conditioning. Okay, so you close the curtains before 12 o'clock noon. Get your cold water out of the fridge, right? And to keep the temperature steady, you can put that into a thermos bottle. Whoops. It's supposed to go in the thermos bottle, not on the floor. All right. There you go. Then you put your cold water back in the fridge. And that will keep the temperature stable of your cold water to cool you down. Should be kind of dark in the room because otherwise you'll build up heat. So you want to get a thermostat, or a lot of thermostats actually, so you know what works. Right now it's 32 inside, almost 90 degrees inside the apartment, which is okay for me. I can handle that. But if I didn't close the curtain, it would be hotter than that. It would go up to a few degrees more. Now we come to the most important part of the stay cool strategy.